All right, good morning, guys. So I have one or two students who were not too sure about what to do for the homework. So I decided to do a video just to show you what I wanted you to do. Okay, so basically you have here the document week 9 structure of an essay. So here you have an example of an essay of what an essay should look like, right? So what I want you to do is this. I want you to look at the elements here, intro, body paragraph number 2, body paragraph number 1. And I want you to read the text and I want you to copy and paste the elements. So for example, if you look at the intro is here. What is the attention getter? Well, everyone knows that we need at least 8 hours. So this here would be the attention getter. So I copy it and I put it there, for example. Okay, or it doesn't matter how you do it, but I just want you so I have my attention getter there. What is the thesis? Write the thesis, so you don't have to write it, but you copy and paste. And I want you to identify what the topic, what the claim, what the reason. So you open the parenthesis and you identify what the topic, the claim, and the reasons are, because there are two reasons. You do the same thing for body paragraph number 1. Write the body topic sentence, identify the topic, point of view, controlling idea, and then in the body paragraph number 1, you're going to have evidence and you're going to have arguments. Okay, evidences and arguments. So you write them down, you copy and paste. You can write them down over there if you want, or just copy and paste the element. You do the same thing for body paragraph 1, body paragraph number 2. We're going to talk about it next class. All right? Don't give up, guys.